Welcome. So we would understand what is the difference between assessment and evaluation. I start with a very easy example. You appear for a model paper, and once you have given the model paper, you bring back the solutions to me and ask about the results. So in one case I say, oh, you are weak in the following topics. So that is what is a evaluation. It is judgmental and it is much more of a kind of product oriented because we are looking towards performance. On the other hand, if I say the following three topics are important, that means the idea is to improve the quality, and this is a process oriented. So these are the topics that you need to focus on, and we are focusing on the process, and therefore this is a part of the assessment. Similarly, if there is a flower, you can say this flower is beautiful and this flower has numerous varieties that are seen. So this is where I am saying I am assessing the flower. This flower looks beautiful and it has numerous varieties which are there. However, when I am judgmental, I say so that is a part of assessment, but when I am judgmental, I say this is the flower which is used to treat so and so diseases. So using this flower is implicative of treatments for certain diseases. So that means you are trying to talk about a judgmental aspect, that this is a medicinal flower. Okay, so here we talk about evaluation, and that's the key difference between the two. So simply put, when I say assessment, it's a kind of ongoing process. It's process oriented and it is much more individualized. The idea is to have a kind of systematic process to understand the attitudes, beliefs, or the skill set that is there, with a constant improvement path for learning. However, when I say evaluation, it is judgmental, as I said. So the idea is to improve the performance. It could be as a reflection of mastery that could be shown in some of the contents that are there. So understanding the content and the mastery level becomes very important when we are talking about evaluation. Now simply put, if I want to differentiate the two terms, assessment on one end and evaluation on another end, I say evaluation is product oriented. So I am trying to have some final product, but the assessment is a process that goes on. So it is process oriented. As it is process oriented, it is continuously ongoing, but this is providing a kind of closure, or it is ending at some point or the other. Also, evaluation is graded. We are talking about the performance, so we are talking about the mastery level, and therefore it is graded by nature. It also brings out certain loopholes or the drawbacks that are there, which is very important. So I have certain loopholes that I'm trying to pinpoint, or shortfalls, and that's why it's judgmental. On the other hand, assessment is just providing the feedback for constant improvement. So that's one of the major differences between assessment and evaluation. A very important topic, especially when we are focusing on the teaching aptitude section. We'll be bringing many such topics for you. Have a wonderful day.